Yo, what is up guys, SKR here, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can make thumbnails just like me on your Android device. So for this are going to need an app called PicsArt. If you don't already have it, you can download it from the link in the description down below. So first thing you wanna do is open up PicsArt and click on the plus icon and then scroll down to the drawing section and click on pick canvas. Then you wanna select 1920 by 1080. If you don't see this here, you can just click on this and then enter 1920 by 1080 and press on OK, and then click on this button which is right here on the top right corner of your screen. Okay, so once you are on this screen, you just have to click on the button on the top right corner of your screen again and then click on edit image, and then you just need to scroll a little bit to the right in the toolbar and click on add photo and select all the images you want in your thumbnail and then click on the add button. Then you can adjust the images by just dragging them through the corner. So now we are done with the background. Just click on the button on the top right corner of your screen, and now we just need to get a picture of a Pokemon. So you can just click on the sticker button and then click on the magnifying glass icon and search for any Pokemon you need. So I'm gonna use Sceptile, so you just wanna type Sceptile. So here's the suggestion, Sceptile Pokemon. I'm just gonna click on that and I'm gonna choose this picture, and then you can just adjust it to your preference. And then what I like to do is I like to go into borders and give it a nice little stroke. Now I'm just gonna click on the check mark. Okay, so the final thing I like to do in my thumbnails is writing the features on each one of the photos. So I'm just gonna write, for example, Gen 7 or Generation 7 maybe. Then I'm gonna resize it and place it onto one photo. And then you can just add a little bit of shadow to make it look better. Then I'm gonna do it the same with the other photos. So that's how you can make thumbnails just like me on your Android device using PicsArt. Don't forget to check them out. The link will be in the description down below. So that will be it for today's video. If you liked it, be sure to hit a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Peace.